we'll use a minimal amount of water, just that.
And lots of salt.
And lots of salt.
But when the water evaporates,
the salt should stick onto the potatoes.
And they become...
So what is this dish called again?
Papas arrugas. Gambas al ajillo.
3 cloves of garlic, not crushed, but thinly sliced.
So yeah, you are, yes.
This is three dry red chilies. Prawns. This is 250 grams of prawns.
And then through the chili, because if not the chili gets burned, you put it since the beginning. Two of the most
popular Spanish dishes.
Bueno, las papas arrugas en olla a presión, originalmente con agua de mar, se puede sustituir con mucha sal en agua para que quede ese efecto cáscara blanquecino. Las gambas al ajillo son un plato por toda España conocido. El aceite generalmente es de oliva, aquí en India con aceite de girasol es suficiente. Y se añaden 2 dientes de ajo por cada 200 gramos de gambas y una buena lindilla por cada 200 gramos de gambas. Con este método se mete todo junto al principio para que se cueza a presión. Con el método Open Air sería freír un poquito el ajo antes de añadir la gamba. I always surprised by this. So it's all ready.
That's telling you, it's almost ready. Right? You want to release the pressure for this.
Gambas are too boiled, they are not tasty.
They'll become rubbery. Jose also insists we use fresh prawns.
Yes, no.
Not refrigerated, not frozen, that looks good. Perfect.
Yeah, always is better.
That looks good to you? So I'm going to see, nothing has burnt. The prawns has released some water, which is fine.
I prefer it like this than too much. Dry.
So just one whistle, he insists that is good enough. So I'll just plate this. He's in a hurry to leave, but I'm glad that we were able to do a couple of Spanish dishes.
This is wonderful because I've never seen doing this.
That's how they look.
Gambas al ajillo.
Gambas al ajillo, which is just prawns in with garlic and olive oil. I'm letting the potato cook longer because I want all the water to evaporate and the salt to crust on the potato. So I'm going to give it maybe a couple of more whistles, and this is done in what, 5-6 minutes, right? I'm going to wait till the pressure baker runs out of steam. Once it runs out of steam, you know that no more water is left. So now you see the gap between the whistles have increased. It means that the water has almost dried out. It's a good time to stop now. When you open, you'll see that there is no water left. Jose is moving a safe distance away. Just to get over your fear of cookers, I want you to do this. Please, you need to get over this fear of this. Or if you're... I thought the Spanish guys are brave. You guys conquered the new world. What are you saying?
So open it now?
Yeah, go. That's it. Just keep holding it. See?
Yeah, you are making a psychiatric treatment to me because of that trauma I had when I was a child.
So that scares you.
Yeah, maybe.
So
Tapas.
Tapas is potatoes.
Yeah, but it's
patata is potato in Spanish,
patata is
right?
in Spanish, but in these islands where this typical.
Look at that.
Yeah.
That looks good. The salt has. Look at that. That was the whole idea, to let all the water evaporate away, and the salt
That's it.
to crush the potatoes. This will happen naturally if you use seawater.
Yes.
But we are using heavily salted water to mimic that effect. How do you eat it with so much of salt? What do you do?
Well, I don't think it's too much because when it dries, it's like you know the peanuts. The effect is more or less.
So there you go. You can serve yourself.
Papas arrugas.
Papas arrugas.
Papas arrugas.
And
gambas al ajillo.
Gambas al ajillo. Two classic dishes thanks to you.
It's to be eaten with all the skin.
It should be eaten with the skin?
You don't need to remove the skin.
Oh wow, great. So that is how it looks. Now you need to taste it and tell me how it tastes. Like, can this be served to any Spanish guy? Will they be happy with
Yes, yes. Let's try first the gambas.
Yeah. You like it? Okay.
It's better always not to keep the gamba too much time.
So one whistle is all it took, and he seems happy with that. That's good too. So he can easily.
Perfect.
Really? So you
one of the best I've tasted. Really, the potatoes are really
wonderful. So that's how it looks. That's how simple it is to create two classic Spanish dishes in less than 5 minutes. Go ahead, try this out. It's been validated by Jose, so you don't need a bigger validation than this.
Thank you. It's very, very funny.
Bye bye.
It's funny.